Hello everyone, welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make whole chicken, baked whole chicken with potato and vegetables. This tastes delicious, delicious that you don't want to miss it. It is delicious, yummy, moist, juicy. I can go on and on and on. All I'm going to say is that after watching this video, go and get your whole chicken, potato and vegetable and try this recipe. The camera is not doing justice. It tastes so delicious. And if you're new here, you've not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Also leave your comment and give this video a thumbs up. Here I have the whole chicken that I bought from the shop, Aldi. So next I'm going to clean and wash the chicken. If you don't like to wash your chicken, you can skip this part to 6 minutes of the video. But I like to wash my chicken with lime or lemon. So next I run some water. After running the water to cover the surface of the chicken, so what I did next was get some lime. You can use lime, you can use lemon. I'm using 2 lime, so I cut the lime, then squeeze the juice of the lime into the water. What it does that it helps clean the chicken really well. It gets rid of the the skin, some of the, I don't know what they call it, to be honest, but you will see when I wash the So after washing the chicken for like 5 to 6 minutes, you can see what is on top of the water. Oh no, I'm not eating that. So next I change the water. I change the water and wash the chicken again, making sure it's clean. I know some people say, why are you washing your chicken? This is how I do my chicken. This is why I don't show it in the camera, because some people are like, why are you washing it that much? This is how I wash my chicken. Oh, this is how I wash my chicken. Oh, so next I change the water again and wash the chicken. Wash. So if you like to wash your chicken, please let me know in the comment section. Do you wash your chicken like this, or how do you wash your chicken? Or if you don't even wash your chicken at all, please, I would like to know in the comment section. And please let me know why. Is it because of the bacteria, or you just don't want to go through that stress? I would like to know in the comment section. And also give this video a thumbs up. So after washing and cleaning the chicken, next step is to clean the area or the surface or where you clean the chicken. You have to clean it again because of the bacteria. Some people think that when they clean, after washing their chicken, they use soap and clean the area, that the area is clean. No, it's not clean. The soap is not enough to get rid of the bacteria. So to make sure that you get rid of the bacteria after washing with your soap or whatever you want to wash your area where you wash the chicken with, the next step is to use any alcohol. So I don't have that, so what I use is lime. So I use lime to do that, because the lime contains citric acid. It contains acid, so the acid in the lime is enough to get rid of any together. In this plate I have 1 tablespoon of melted butter. To that I'm adding 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. After that I add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste or chopped garlic, but you can also use garlic powder. Next I'm adding 3 tablespoons of smoked paprika to give the chicken that smoky flavor. Next I add 2 tablespoons of onion powder. Then I add 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning. Then 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of mixed herb, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Then add half a teaspoon of hot grinded pepper. After that, I mix together until it's well combined to make a thick paste. If you have white pepper, you can also add to this. I don't have, so that's why I'm not adding to it. As you can see how I added all the seasoning together, this is what is going to give your chicken that unique taste, that delicious taste. So I add more vegetable oil and I mix together to combine. Did you see this? It smells so nice already, just the spices together, the smell. So next I scoop out 1 tablespoon that I'm going to use to mix the vegetables and the potato. Next I have the chicken. Next, massage the spices all over the chicken. Make sure the chicken is covered and coated with the spices. Please take your time when doing this. You have to make, this is a whole chicken, so you have to make sure that you massage the spices and seasoning all over the chicken. Even the cavity, make sure you add some or apply the spices in the cavity, because you have to make sure that the chicken inside and out is covered with the spices. degrees Celsius for at least 15 minutes because I want the chicken to burn. You don't have to do this, but that's what I did because I like my chicken to burn. I like the surface of my chicken to be burned. I want to get that smoky, like the charcoal smoke chicken. You know, in Africa, we smoke our chicken. So that's how I got this, but you don't have to, burn your chicken, the surface, if you don't want that. So now I am serving it, and look at this. Look at this yumminess. Look at this. The potato is not dry. The vegetables is not dry. So if you're thinking that it's going to be in the oven for an hour, your potato is going to be dry, you can see mine that it's not dry. Look at this. It's not dry. It's well baked chicken, potato, and vegetable. Please try this recipe, and if you do, let me know on Instagram, on YouTube. My Instagram is continentalfood.cake. You can also let me know on YouTube, and if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? I have a lot of recipe. I have about 151 video. This will make it 152 video, and I'm supposed to upload on Friday, but I decided to upload this today so that you can make this for your family for the Christmas or the holiday. Love you all.